to Henry's show.
Hello, I'm your friend Henry. Episode 12, Unit 5, MNO. Let's start. Circle the correct beginning letter. Number 1, K, kangaroo. Number 2. This is a mouse. What do mouse begins with? Mouse begins with M. Number 3. This is an ox. What do ox begins with? Ox begins with O. O. Number 4. This is a lemon. What do lemon begins with? Lemon begins with L. L. Number 5. This is a nut. What do nut begins with? Nut begins with N. N. Number 6. This is an octopus. What do octopus begins with? Octopus begins with O. O. Number 7. This is a melon. What do melon begins with? Melon begins with M. M. Number 8. This is a nest. What does nest begins with? The letter N. Write the partner letter D. E. You have to write partner if you have lowercase, you have to write capital D. If it is lowercase d, you have to write capital D. And if it is capital E, and we have to write lowercase e. You have 2 parts. If you have lowercase f, you have to write capital F. If you have lowercase d, you have to write capital D. If you have lowercase h, you have to write capital H. If you have lowercase I, you have to write capital I. If you have capital J, you have to write lowercase j. If you have capital K, you have to write lowercase k. Now, what do you need to write? You have to write lowercase L because we have a capital L. What do you need to write there? You have a lowercase n. So, you have to write capital M. What do you need to write? We have a lowercase n. That means you have to write capital N. This is a lowercase O. That means what do you need to write there? I know more. I told you, we have to write capital O if you have lowercase O. If you have lowercase, you have to write capital. If you have capital, you have to write lowercase. So they are partner. Match. This is a jet. Jet starts with J, so we need to trace a line in there. And number 2, you'll understand and more better. This is a hand. What do hand begins with? Hand begins with H. You don't need to worry that it's lowercase or capital. It's more great that you understand it. Number 3. This is an ox. Wow, what a cute ox to me. It's cute to me. Ox starts with O. O. Number 4. This is a melon. What do melon starts with? Melon starts with M. If you have lowercase, it's colored green. If you have capital, it's colored purple. Purple. Now, purple and green. Number 5. What do you think? Is the answer? This is an iguana. What do iguana begins with? Iguana begins with I. I see a capital I, but I cannot see a lowercase I. So, you can just trace the line. Line number 6. If there's only lowercase n there, this next begins with N. We don't need to find a capital N. If you have one lowercase, we don't need to find a capital because that means we don't have a capital. The letter what you are finding. Number 7. This is a king. Yes, he is a king. King begins with K. I found a capital K. That means we don't need to find a lowercase k. Where is it? We still don't have. If we still find, can never find a lowercase k. Number 8. It's a lion. A lion. Lion begins with L. Great! Circle the correct picture. We did many times. Lost. Many. All the time. Every unit. It's unit 5. It's the 5th unit. It's level 1. It's M. We have only one answer. You have to circle only once in one number. With M. Map begins with N. What begins with N? Net begins with N. What begins with O? Ox begins with O. Match and right. Lion and lamp both starts with L. So you have to write capital L and a lowercase L. Number 2, let's read together. This is an ostrich, so you have to find one more that starts with O. Ox. You have to write capital O and a lowercase O. Number 3, this is a net. Net starts with N. We have another word that begins with N, where we need to trace a line on it. There. And number 4. This is a map. Map begins with M. We have one word that begins with M. It's melon. Melon. Number 1. This is a nut. So we have to color capital N and a lowercase n. Capital N, lowercase n. Number 2. This is a mouse. Color capital M and a lowercase m because mouse begins with M. Number 3, this is an octopus. Octopus begins with O, so that means we need to color capital N or lowercase o. Capital O, lowercase o. This is a gorilla. Gorilla is saying hi to us. Look, he's so cute. Gorilla starts with G sound, so we need to write G 2 times. Capital G, lowercase g, capital G, lowercase g. Number 2, he is a king. What do king begins with? King begins with K sound. So we need to write K 2 times. Well done. Number 3, this is a hat. So it starts with H. So we need to write it 2 times H. You know it already, right? We learned it many times. We learned it 2 times. One in Unit 3, I think, and one is Review 1. Number 4. This is a map. What do map begins with? Map begins with M. Number 5. This is an ostrich. Ostrich begins with O, so we need to write O 2 times. Number 6. this is a jet. Jet begins with J, so we need to write J 2 times. J, 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 J. M. We need to draw. N, O. I already said M, so because we need to draw that starts with M. Map. So map, yes, map. I'm just going to write. I have a melon. One more left. What do you think? Mouse. I'm not gonna draw mouse. I'm good at English, but I'm not good at drawing. I'm still smart. That's okay. And we need to draw net. I'm just only going to draw net. Net, and you can draw nut and a net if you want to. Oh, I'm gonna draw octopus or ox or ostrich. I'm going to draw octopus. Trace and write. We have to write 5 times, 5 times, 5 times, 5 times, 5 times. M, 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 M. I told you it is still important to write. That's right. It's 4 more times. Now we have to write 5 there. Now we have to write roller cake. We have to write 7 more times. But in there, you can write 6 more times. Now, we have to write 7 times in there. Great. We finished our work. Next time we're going to learn Unit 6. P, Q, R. See you next time. Bye.